Hi, my name is Sarah, and I want to tell you about a new product that has come to my attention, and I felt compelled to review it, because it's different from the other design tools out there. I'll tell you everything you need to know about Clickdesigns before you buy it. I also have some important warnings about Clickdesigns to prevent you from losing money. So pay close attention to what I have to tell you in this video, and watch it until the end. The first thing you need to know about Clickdesigns is, be careful with the website you're going to buy Clickdesigns from, so you don't be scammed, because Clickdesigns is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the official website link down below in the description of this video. So, Clickdesigns it's the first design software that caters to page builders like WordPress, Elementor, ClickFunnels, and many more. Because of this focus on page builders, it eliminates the need for webmasters and coders. That's promising, isn't it? So, what exactly is Clickdesigns? Clickdesigns is a point-and-click design powerhouse for beautiful, high-converting graphics, designs, and pages. You can easily transform your blogs, websites, sales funnels into powerful selling machines, saving you a huge amount of time and money. It is your one-stop shop for logos, box shots, covers, reports, digital mock-ups, product bundles, graphics, and much more for your business and your clients. You can start from a blank canvas or use the fully customizable templates inside the dashboard. With Clickdesigns' cutting-edge and versatile editor, you can drag and drop what you need, how you need it, and where you need it in seconds. Clickdesigns is a highly user-friendly, intuitive interface that requires zero learning curve, so you can churn out every type of amazing design consistently. With niche-specific templates, you can customize your business and show customers you are the real deal. You go straight to the finish line, with the most comprehensive collection of professionally crafted designs, by award-winning designers never seen before. Also, every market and industry has a different breed of customers, and that's exactly why you get multiple angles and layouts to choose from that specifically attract your audience type. And you can also have high-resolution downloads. And here's the more interesting part. If you're a freelance, or are looking for another source of income, Clickdesigns will make it easy for you. Clickdesigns is truly newbie-friendly, and requires no creative or technical skills and experience from its users. It will empower you to churn out designs after designs, maximizing your income potential. You can literally create designs in minutes. Just imagine how many designs you can produce in an hour. This is a side gig that can give you a full-time income. It's easy to use because of the drag-and-drop interface. It allows for speed and efficiency, because the designs are ready for publishing. It gives you flexibility in editing any element of your design, without messing up the other elements. It's hard to go wrong with the pre-made templates. I'm so glad that Clickdesign offers such professional-looking designs. Unlike other sites, you're guaranteed quality here because you've got top-notch templates to start with. I was looking for a way to simplify the design process, and I'm sure that Clickdesigns is it. It has all of these features that are easy to use, but also give more control and flexibility than other programs do. Moreover, it's a risk-free purchase. If you don't like it for any reason, you have a 30-day money-back guarantee. Which means that if you decide for a refund, they will immediately give you your money back. So, I wanted to record this video to tell you more about Clickdesigns, and to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Clickdesigns from. I really hope this video has helped you, and I also hope that Clickdesigns help you develop and grow your business even more. If you liked this video, leave your like below, and share it with a friend, so it can reach and help more people. Thank you for watching this video.